So, the Google Pixel 10 series is still months away, with a projected launch in the latter half of 2025. However, as expected, early details about the upcoming lineup have started emerging, offering a glimpse into what Google might bring next. Reports suggest the Pixel 10 series will consist of 4 models: the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This mirrors the Pixel 9 lineup, which also featured 4 devices. One major change generating buzz is the potential shift in modems. According to Android Authority, Google may abandon Samsung's Exynos modems in favor of a MediaTek modem for the Pixel 10. Specifically, the devices are rumored to feature the yet-to-be-announced MediaTek T900 modem. This modem, reportedly based on MediaTek's M85 technology, adheres to the 3GPP Release 17 5G standards. In simpler terms, this could result in better 5G performance, faster connectivity, and enhanced reliability. This shift could be significant, as Pixel devices have faced frequent complaints about modem-related issues in the past, including weak signal strength, excessive battery drain, and overheating, often attributed to Samsung's Exynos modems. By partnering with MediaTek, Google seems to aim for a more seamless and reliable user experience. Interestingly, Google also evaluated Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem, but ultimately appears to have settled on MediaTek for reasons yet unknown. Powering the Pixel 10 series will likely be Google's next-generation Tensor G5 chipset, which has already surfaced in Geekbench leaks. The Tensor G5 features an octa-core configuration, with one prime core clocked at 3.4 GHz, 5 performance cores at 2.86 GHz, and 2 efficiency cores at 2.44 GHz. The chipset is also listed alongside 12 GB of RAM, though the Pro variants are expected to offer configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM, similar to the Pixel 9 Pro models. The Geekbench results also indicate that the Tensor G5 is currently running on Android 15, though the Pixel 10 series is expected to debut with Android 16, consistent with Google's tradition of launching devices with the latest Android version. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Share your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.